We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Bishop.
Yes, Baba. This is a bishop of Orlando Pirates. Baphethe yimi bonke bayasi.
Siyazi.
Baphethe yimi ngibathandazela. But nje engingakusho we have a good team. Our team is very, very good. I'm so happy with the youngsters abakhona. Into esuke ihluphe nje abalandeli bethu, our supporters bayathanda ukungenelela nala kungafanele bangenelele khona. Ukugxeka nje, uyabona ukugxeka, any mistake oyibonayo, any formation ucoach angathi uyayishintsha, we intervene, kanti we need to allow the coach. Just take for example isizini isiqalile, we have got how many games? We have got 4 games, 3 games won, 1 draw. That is not bad. We need to give this coach opportunity enze umsebenzi wakhe. We are not the coaches, but we are the supporters. Our role is to support our team. Singamgxeki ucoach, singabagxeka ama-player. Just take for example lento abayenzayo kuMbuthuma. Buthuma is a youngster asakhula umfana. Akufuneki simfakele ipressure, simkhulume kabi. We need to give ucoach ithuba lokuthi asebenzise abafana ngendlela yakhe. I'm so proud of Orlando Pirates. Our team is very, very great, and ngibona iPirates ezoba nzima kunakuqala.
Ikusasa liyakhanya.
Liyakhanya baba. Masiphethe intwana encane kanje, egijima kanje, zidlala ibhola, and umqeqeshi adedela intwana ezu6 intwana less than 23 years ezu6 egroundini ayibeke endishini. Bonke abadlali bethu esibaziyo bangaphandle abanye because of injury. But look at the youngsters, no mistakes. Can you see? Namhlanje sidlale ngomfana laphana uZulu edlala ngoCM. You can see ukuthi akuzange kubonana nokuthi usibisa ke. So we need to give them a chance. I'm so happy and I'm proud of them. Yeah man. The Bishop iyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga Bishop.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah man.